Good Monday morning, everyone. I'm meteorologist Mark Collins. We're waking up to slightly cooler temperatures, and through the day, it's going to be a warmer afternoon. So, yes, it's about 8 degrees cooler with temperatures in the 60s. But notice we'll get into the low 80s this afternoon. So, because of the rain and the clouds yesterday, we had some fog, but now that all that's gone, we're actually going to be seeing some nice sunshine today, and that will take your temperatures into the low 80s over the inland zones and mainly mid 70s along our coastal spots. Over the next couple of days, not a lot of change. We're going to keep it dry here, mostly sunny, but starting Wednesday, we'll start to see some rain showers return. You'll see that the forecast keeps temperatures pretty warm through the early part of the week. In fact, we could be in the upper 80s for Wednesday, and then as we head towards the end of the week, we'll start to see showers on the increase, especially Wednesday, and then again as we head into Friday. Over the upcoming Easter holiday weekend, don't see any big complications. Some of the models keep it wet, but I do think that we're actually going to be on the drier side. We'll see how the week plays out. I'm meteorologist Mark Collins. Enjoy your day.